In this video, I show you how to use AirPlay on a Samsung TV. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. The first thing we need to do is go and navigate to our AirPlay settings on our Samsung TV. So firstly, we need to go and open up our TV settings. To do that, there are two different ways. Either you can go onto your remote like so, and then go and tap on settings, or if you don't have that settings button, just go and tap on the home button on your TV like so, and then scroll over to the left hand side until you go and see the gear or cog icon like so, tap OK on settings, and then what you need to do is go down to general like so, so just scroll down using your remote, and here we are on general and tap OK. Then as you can see, we've got the option for Apple AirPlay settings, then scroll down there and go and tap OK again. So what you need to do is make sure AirPlay is actually turned on like so. If it isn't, just go and tap on it and it will then configure it. And then what you need to do is go onto your phone. And you need to go and open up your control center. So to do that, you just need to drag down from the battery icon in the top right like this, and it's then going to go and open it up. And then what you need to do is go and tap on the screen mirroring or AirPlay button, which is just this one here. Go and tap on it. This will then find the devices which you can go and screen mirror to. So here is my TV. I'll go and tap on it like so, and as you can see, we're now screen mirroring our phone to our TV. If you find that your TV isn't showing up in this list here, or it is and it just is failing to connect and things like that, this is likely because you're on a different Wi-Fi network. So to go and make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi network, close off your control center just by tapping. Then you can go into your settings and you can then go and look at Wi-Fi, and you can go and change the network you're connected to. As I said, make sure you connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. If that still isn't working, then what I recommend doing is restarting both your phone and your TV, as that is going to fix majority of the problems. And of course you can go and watch shows and do pretty much whatever you'd like with it. So if you found this useful, then please consider leaving a like. Peace.